Alright, we're putting the front tire back on. Just when we roll it up here, you kind of got to wiggle it a little bit to get it up in there. Get as close to the hub and the holes as you can. And then problem at the front is that the brakes don't lock. Alright. Put a couple of them on. Or get at least 2 of the lugs started. And then jack it up just a little bit. And then take that pry bar, spin it over, and just try to hold itself down, push it in. And a few more started. Not as bad as you would think.